Hi Green Group, it's Miss O'Shea. This video is going to be a little bit short because I'm still not 100%, but in this unit we're going to take a look at pages 176, 177, and a little bit of pages 178 and 179. In this unit we're going to start learning about ER and IR verbs since we've already mastered AR verbs. You've already learned the regular AR verbs in Spanish, but you are beginning to learn ER and IR verbs. Okay? So we're going to look at the verbs comer, which means to eat, leer, which means to read, and escribir, which means to write. Okay? The yo form ends in O, the to form ends in es, and the lao usted form ends in e. Okay? Now the other verb ver, which means to see, are the same. Yo veo, tu veas, lao usted, ve. We're not going to do the plurals yet. We'll get there. So if you look at the conversation on page 177, ¿Tienes hambre, Julia? Are you hungry, Julia? Sí, mucha. Yes, a lot. ¿Deseas comer algo? Do you want to eat something? Sí. ¿Por qué no vamos al café? Why don't we go to the cafe? Aquí tienes el menú. ¿Lees el menú en español or in inglés? Here, you have a menu. Do you read the menu in Spanish or in English? And she answers in español. ¿Qué vas a comer? What are you going to eat? Una hamburguesa y papas fritas. ¿Y tú? And you? Una cola. Bebes mucha cola, no? You drink a lot of soda, no? Okay. Then look at the exercise. The answers are based on the conversation above. ¿Tienes Julia hambre? Is Julia hungry? ¿Deseas comer algo? Does she want to eat something? ¿A dónde van Carlos y Julia? Where are they going? ¿Lee Julia el menú en español? ¿Comprende el menú? Does she understand the menu? ¿Qué come Julia? What does she eat? ¿Y Carlos, come or no? ¿Qué bebe Carlos? ¿Bebe mucha cola? Does he drink a lot of soda? So you're going to answer those questions. It's exercise 7 on page 177 as part of your weekly work. Then what I'd also like you to do is answer the questions at the top of page 178. Now, if you'll notice, all of those are in the to form, so you will answer with the yo form because yo always answers to. ¿Aprendes español en la escuela? Do you learn Spanish in school? ¿Comprendes? Do you understand cuando el profesor habla? ¿Lees en español? Do you read in Spanish? ¿Escribes también? Do you write also? A veces, which means sometimes. ¿Ves una video en la clase de español? Do you watch a video in Spanish? ¿Comprendes el video? Do you understand the video? ¿Recibes notas buenas en español? Do you get good grades in Spanish? ¿Comprendes, hablas, lees, and escribes en español? Do you understand, speak, read, and write in Spanish? So you're going to do that one. You can skip this one at the bottom of the page because we're not going to go over that. But what I'd also like you to do as part of your weekly work is the exercise at the top of page 179, en el café. You're going to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. Let's do the first one together. Yo blank al café. You need the yo form of the verb ir, which would be voy. Yo voy al café. So your weekly work is the conversation questions on page 177, exercise 8 on page 178, and exercise 10 on page 179. Good luck, and I'll be here to answer questions.